GluCorp was created with the mission to offer a new path to global food supply with a simple philosophy. Creation is one, the earth is one, and we are one. Mother Earth is our inspiration, and we endeavor to produce only the finest and purest organic food products. GluCorp is an organic food ingredient and plant-based derivatives sweeteners manufacturing company. We offer a complete range of organic and natural rice and tapioca sweeteners, which include rice and tapioca glucose syrups, maltodextrins, syrup solids, starches, grains, and flours. Other than sweeteners, we also manufacture plant-based rice proteins for food and feed applications, as well as rice milk powders, one of our finest offerings. Since our inception in 1967 as Qureshi Business Group, under the supervision of our founder, Mr. Shams Qureshi, has been recognized as one of the leading food manufacturing companies in Southeast Asia. Our production facilities possess an annual capacity to produce up to 45,000 metric tons of liquid glucose, 9,000 metric tons of maltodextrin and syrup solids, 55,000 tons of rice flour, and 10,000 metric tons of rice proteins. Our state-of-the-art production facilities and an experienced R&D team allow us to maintain a product consistency and offer tailor-made products to our customers. Our feed-grade protein, on the other hand, works towards the protein intake of pet food and feed market. GluCorp's organic syrups like low-sugar syrups and high maltose syrups are a proverbial feather in the cap of our product line. Those products have been designed for calorie-conscious consumers that aim to achieve maximum sweetness without compromising on taste and texture of the final product. Our infant-safe range of products are especially formulated to cater to baby food, pharmaceutical and nutraceutical applications. GluCorp ensures elimination of any kind of heavy metals in our infant-safe products. To promote organic farming, we have envisioned an organic farming research program which currently spans over 10,000 acres of certified organic fields to ensure farm-to-fork traceability while implementing fair trade guidelines for the betterment of our farmers. For our organic inventory storage, we are equipped with temperature-controlled storage silos possessing 39.6 million pounds of storage capacity. This is in addition to a reverse osmosis plant that produces up to 250,000 gallons of water per day. Apart from the organic farmer program, GluCorp has also undertaken numerous measures towards reducing our carbon footprint. One such addition to our green initiative is the inclusion of solar panels on site with a capacity of 1.2 megawatts. We work hard towards upholding the trust of our consumers and distributors through an ever-increasing range of products with a coverage span of over 40 countries. We are certified organic for the USA, Canada, European Union, and many other countries around the world. Our products also qualify as vegan, kosher, and halal, backed by quality certifications such as FSSC 22000, Non-GMO, gluten-free, GMP+, fair trade, SEDEX, etc. As one of the industry's most experienced entities, we at GluCorp have taken the spotlight to make a mark on the world stage with our slogan of Live Well, Live Organic.